Hi guys, this is Garden Fun with Kevin Milburn. I'm in the kitchen today. This is Sunday here at Milburn Farms. And so guess what we're doing today? We're cooking dinner. I've already got things chopped up. We're having smothered chicken. We're having cornbread, mashed potatoes, and we're having a stir fry. And what else are we? What did I miss? Oh, and yams. But okay, so I've already chopped these up. You guys already seen, how we do this as far as our stir fry, but stay tuned because I've got some stuff happening. I'm gonna let you watch my stir fry, and then I'm gonna show you Sunday dinner, guys, here at Milburn Farms. This is Garden Fun with Kevin Milburn, guys. Stay tuned. So right now the smothered chicken is already ready to go. It's already done. The cornbread is finished and done. Mashed potatoes are really ready, finished and done, and yum, 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 buttery garlic mashed potatoes. And then here are my yams, my buttery yams, yum, 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 yummy in my tummy. Woo! So my son Tanner has been loving the kale, the Swiss chard, and spinach combination. So I'm doing that today. It is a beautiful Sunday here in Los Angeles, California, and I hope you guys are having an amazing day. It's a great day here in the garden outside. I'm going to be out there today with the Dixie Chicks and doing some gardening, but guys, stay tuned. I want to show you this stir fry. Okay guys, I'm in here doing a little stir fry with the Swiss chard and mixed spinach, mustard, and it is coming along. Again, my son Tanner, he likes this, and so I thought, well, if he's gonna eat this, any kind of leafy greens, I'm gonna make it happen. So it's happening, guys, right here. I'm at Milburn Farms, guys. Ooh, it smells good in here. All right, guys, this is the final touch. Here we go. This is the stir fry. Good. Oh my goodness. There's the cornbread. There's the yams. Let's go. The Sunday dinner at Milburn Farms. There's the mashed potatoes. And the gravy's gonna go with that. Yum, yum. And then here is the wonderful smothered chicken that'll go on the potatoes, and we'll have some sunny delight. How about that? All right, guys, this is Garden Fun with Kevin Milburn. Have a happy Sunday.